In this video, we will demonstrate how to execute a Silk Test Workbench test via the command line. When running Silk Test Workbench tests via the command line, you will use the STW.exe command. The command line program contains both mandatory and optional parameters. Parameters can be specified using either the long or short form of its name. Some of the optional parameters allow you to do things such as sending variables with a script, specifying a particular browser to test against, creating an output file, or setting a connection string if testing mobile devices. To view all parameters that are available, it is strongly advised to review the help section Parameters for STW.exe. This topic lists the available parameters for the STW.exe command, including examples. I have created a short test that will open one of our sample websites in IE, log into the application, perform a verification, and log out. In my STW command, I will use the parameters DSN, username, password, project, and script. Now to run my pre-recorded test, I close the workbench, open a command window, and enter my STW command with the required parameters. Note that I am using the parameter short form notation for this example. The test will then be executed in IE, will log into the sample application, perform a verification, and log out. This test was run in Internet Explorer, as this was the application configuration that was stored in my test properties. To run the test against a different browser, for example Google Chrome, I can specify the browser parameter. This overrides the browser setting in my test's application configuration. As we can see, the test launches and passes successfully in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.